Hi everyone, this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my package from the DIY shop on AliExpress. They reached out to me to share their products and design with them, and I agreed. So you're going to get down below the link to the shop. There'll be a discount code, and there will also be the link to each one of these products that I'm going to show you tonight. Okay? Okay, so the first one is this spider. And so this is the legs, this is the body that you would put on top. And then it actually has glasses, which I think is so funny that you could put on the spider. Even has eyelashes. And then it has a little flower, and I'm not sure what that is. I'll have to go on the website because they have samples to see what it looks like put together. But that is the first die that they gave me. This is a Christmas gnome. So we have the beard there, and then the hat. There's a candy cane and a piece of Christmas candy there. There's the hands and the feet and the nose. I'm not sure what that is. I'll have to check. And then these little things here. I'm not 100% sure what those are, but I will go check on their website to see what it looks like so I can put it together for you guys. So that's that one. And then they shared a package, and it has all these wings. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dies here, or 7 sets of dies here. I'm not sure if these go with these, like it could be the background and then the top. I'm not 100% sure, but I will go over and check out their website again. Like I said, they have samples, so then you could see how they're being used. But that's a nice set. You can make a lot of angels with that. So I got that one. And then I got this one, which is a New Year's gnome. And it's 2021, but I think I can cut that 2021 off the top of the glasses, and I could probably just put in there 2022. You know, when I cut it out, I'll take the paper, I'll cut out the top, and I'll just put 2002 instead of 2021. I think it's doable. I'll have to try. But here's a beard. There's the hat. Can you see that? Okay, sorry. There's the beard. There's the mustache. The nose. This is the body. There's a little bow tie here. And then the glasses would go, you know, over the top after you put your mustache here. The glasses, the hat would go on, and then you could put the glasses on. But really, really cute. And I did see the sample for this one over there. Okay, and then the last set they gave me was this one here, which is a Halloween. So you have the pointy hat, and then you have a hat that's flipped over here. There's a body. There's a cauldron for the witch, pumpkins, the beard, the hands, the nose. These are little pieces to put on top of the pumpkins on their little I was going to say handles. They're not handles, but we carry them like that. But the little top, there's the pieces there so you can put them on the top. There's a spider. And this is the gooey goo that you would put on the cauldron. And then here are braids that you could put on your gnome as well. So these are the samples that I have. I'm going to spread this out so you can see it. I'll just take them out, I think. Oh, here. Okay. So we have this one here. And this one's holding a bunch of pumpkins. This one also has the braids and the pointy hat. And I just drew on the dots and stuff and just made that myself. Here's the witch. She has braids in the cauldron with the gooby goo stuff there. The spider. And then she has the pointy purple hat. And then this gnome here is holding one big pumpkin. It's got spiders on it. And then he has the hat that folds over. And I just drew on a little spider web on his head just freehand. I just drew it on. His little nose. They're so cute, you guys. Even though I really don't do a lot of Halloween, they're really cute. And I made 3 cards for you guys with this set. So I'm going to share that with you now. And then I will come back with more videos once I use more of these dies. I'll come back and show you what they look like. But for now, I just have the 3 cards made with that one. And don't forget, you guys, the links will be in the description box if you want to go check these out. So this is my first card. Now, I used a paper pad from CC Designs. It's a Halloween paper pad I had in my stash. And all these papers are using that. The little googly eyes in the blue or teal. And then I added this spider web. That's from another die that was in my stash. This big spider and the Halloween. I glossy accent the spider and the spiders on the pumpkin. And then I glossy accent the Halloween. Isn't it cute? And then here's the inside. So that's the first one. My second card looks like this. And this one is using the same CC Design, well, different, but the same paper pad. CC Designs. It's late, you guys. I can't talk. Okay, and here's the Gnome with the pumpkins. And there's the little things I was telling you, the little stems. That's what they're called. And I put the pointy hat and then the spider. And, you know, after I was done with the card, you guys, I put enamel dots. I took that spray that everybody uses. Gigi shared a can of it with me. And I'm going to order some on Amazon because I really like it. But I sprayed the whole card, both of these. So in person, you can see all the glitter on there. But I sprayed the whole card with the glitter. So it looks really, really cute in person. And then this is the last one. Same, well, CC Designs papers. Spiderweb spider. Spooktacular, that was in my stash. I think I got that from Tuesday morning. But look at this witch. Isn't she cute? The purple hat with the little spider on top. The cauldron. And this one has braids. I just thought it was so super cute. And then here's the inside. So those are the 3 cards that I want to share with you today using this die set. And like I said, it'll be linked down below if you want to go over and check it out. Excuse me. And all the links to the other dies will also be down below if you want to check those out. And I want to thank you so much for coming over and watching. I hope you have a blessed evening. And we will see you in the next video. Bye, you guys.